guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Friday. It is October 23rd. Something very cool was delivered and I'm so excited. So I'm starting the vlog now because we do have a wedding tomorrow and a music video on Sunday. So I figured let's just start it now. So recently Apple came out with a new iPhone and your girl got the new phone. I do have the 10S. I get confused because it says X, but it really means 10. But I got the iPhone 12 Pro. Here it is. It's in the plastic. I'll show that you into a second. All right, but I wanted to open it here with you because it's exciting. So good. All right, now that it's not shiny, this is the box that it's in. iPhone 12 Pro, and I just wanted to open it on camera because this is exciting. I get a new phone every 2 years because they have a 2-year upgrade. I decided to go very different. I always get the silver one, and I got the Pacific blue one. I don't even want to touch it. So it comes out like this, and then this is the back of it. It's very, very beautiful. Okay, I opened it now, so I gotta figure out how to set up my phone onto the new phone. Never done this before. I've always had somebody in the store do it, so I'm gonna figure that out now.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, it's been like 10 minutes and I have no clue what I'm doing. There's like this quick setup or something that you like take a picture of the little thing on the phone and then you're supposed to like finish doing it on the new phone. Except I'm at a part where it says confirm your phone number and that's it. It won't do anything. I'm clicking the next button, but it doesn't go anywhere. And then I try to get X out of it on my old phone and it doesn't do anything. It says, are you sure you want to exit? I don't want to exit. I want to continue setting up my phone.
3 weeks later.
Okay, I think it's been like half an hour. We got past the whole phone number thing. I had to like shut off the phone and then just like restart the whole process again. But we got to the part where I wanted like the account PIN number so I can put this phone on this phone. Forgot it. Texted my mom. She's sleeping. She's a nurse, so she works nights. But my dad, I called the house phone and my dad knew it, so he told me that. It looks like it's going through. It says it may take a few minutes to activate your phone. That's where we're at right now.
Many months later.
Why are you taking so long?
1 eternity later.
Hi guys. Needless to say, it is now nighttime and today has been a day. First of all, my computer just died, so we had to factory reset. And that took way longer than it needed to do. It took all day. Like all day, and now it's back to set, but then I have to now re-download everything, so that has been Sarah. Oh my god. And then second, I was doing my phone and then it got stuck on the screen where it was like loading and loading for like, I don't know even what it was doing. It was like, it was setting up, I don't know, but it like never stopped. So then I canceled all of that, and then eventually I got to the spot where like it was ready to transfer stuff over, but then it said my phone had no storage on it. And now it is 6:02 and my phone is officially switched over. I'm getting phone calls and texts now, and all my photos and everything are on this phone now. So now that that's all set, I have to put this on. It is an InvisiShield glass screen protector thing that most people put on their phone. So I'm going to do that now. Today is Saturday, it is October 24th, and we're at the Charles Hotel in Cambridge, Massachusetts, and we are photographing and filming a wedding today. It is 4 hours long, but it is fall glory outside, and I'm so excited. We are in the hotel now waiting for the room so we can do these getting ready photos, and then we're going to head out to the bride to do hers before going outside for pictures. Let's do this. We're going to do some behind the scenes. I forgot my vlog camera in the car, so we are filming this on Nick's beautiful camera, so it'll be professional quality. That's fine.
My heart feels so full, and I'm so excited that today, our wedding day, is finally here. If there's one decision in my life that I know is the right one, it's to spend the rest of my life with you. I can't wait to marry you. I love you.
I promise to always love you unconditionally, to cherish you for all that you are. There is no other person I'd want to continue to share this wonderful journey of life with than with you. Love always, Timmy.
Okay guys, so it is 4 p.m., an hour after we end the wedding, but we did sit down and they fed us some hors d'oeuvres that they had. But we're back at the hotel trying to figure out where we parked. We're in some garage, but yeah, we're about to head back home because then we're gonna have dinner with my family right now. But today was amazing. It was a beautiful day. The weather was perfect. The foliage was perfect. I cannot get enough of how today went. We popped off at Michael's real quick.
You're not filming yourself.
Sorry. Okay. We stopped off over at Michael's real quick to get some candles for tomorrow's music shoot, and I can't wait. The vision I have in my head is literally, I hope we can make it come to life tomorrow because it's gonna be amazing. But I'm like not kidding. We got so many candles, and then there's like a whole set in here. What? Okay, we gotta get back on the road so we can get to my house for dinner. This looks good. Halloween.
Very expensive to record.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hey! Oh boy. Riley! Riley Risser and Uncle Nick are here.
I found Lightning McQueen at Disney. Look at your shirt too.
Always excited.
Yeah.
Continue on US 6 West for 23 miles.
Alright, so this is on both eyes.
Okay.
Still wasn't straight. Alright, sit back up. I'm so sorry. Number 3. Gotta get to 50. You have a leaf on your back.
There's a leaf on my back.
Oh,
Whereabouts?
I'll get it.
Gotta get it there.
There's a horse. Hi guys, today is Sunday, it's October 25th I believe, and we're here at Borderland State Park filming a music video for Left to Love. You've already probably seen a little bit of what we've been up to, but we're finishing the first part and moving on to the second part. I figured I'd start this with an epic first shot of a horse because you don't see that. So.
55.
Alright, I gotta get back to work. 55. It's much later in the day. We moved on to the second location. Actually, it's the third location, but we made it the second location. We're in a little graveyard and Nick's filming Ryan pick a book up 100 times. It's so funny. I know. It's a perfect day for like, this is the whole vibe. It's a little cold, but it's like overcast and windy. It's pretty cool. Okay, moving on to the third part of the day is the band scene behind us. The sun is coming out though, although it's been overcast for most of the day, so that better go away.
It's glow in the dark. There's a spot right here.
That doesn't even matter.
Don't worry about that.
Woo!
Is that okay?
Yeah, that was good. No complaints.
Awesome. So far.
Yeah?
We're gonna have to do it again probably.
Yeah.
We are moving on to the fourth location, which when I'm saying locations, I mean it's just like different spots within this place. We're walking through one of the prettiest trails on this whole place. I think we're gonna do a dancing scene later, but we're well into the day. We have not had lunch. I did hear something about somebody going to get lunch, which I'm very happy for. I think it's like, what, 2 o'clock or something like that? So heading back to the cabin now for some piano stuff. Okay, so this is the little cabin and there's a fire going on. Story about this cabin is the movie Shutter Island was filmed here, which is crazy, but I'm loving this fire right now. All right, I'll show you what the outside looks like too. So yeah, look that up. It's a fun fact, it's pretty cool.
Black one will do.
Okay.
The black
Another one in there?
Yeah.
Just in case. Pizza, cheese, barbecue chicken.
Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
We don't want to heat in an enclosed environment.
Hey.
Pizza.
That would be so awesome. Ready? Action.
Okay guys, the park closes in 45 minutes. Don't even know what part of the day we are at. We're just kind of just zooming through the rest of the shots before we have to get out because they'll lock you in here if you don't get out by 6 o'clock. So
Action. Cut.
okay, low light test. We are still filming. Dark time now. This is the last scene.
It's dark.
Action.
Smooth, it was fun.
Yeah,
It was
good.
super chill. It was
Yeah.
awesome.
Hell yeah.
Recommend you guys to anybody.
Thanks.
5 stars on Yelp.
To anybody.
Everybody watching this, hire them.
Yes.
They're awesome. Yes, yes, yes.
It is 9:30 at night and we are home. We are going to eat cereal for dinner because we had a really late lunch, although I was starving. But it's 9:30. Nick jumped in on another music video consult when he got home, so now we're gonna eat our dinner. But you can never guess what we're having for dinner though. Count Chocula.
Hell yeah.
How many of you guys ate that when you were a kid? I know it's random. Daddy doesn't want you on the table when we eat some. Yep. You gotta keep on walking. Yeah.
She doesn't like that. Stay on there.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy.
Slim, that's rude.
Slim, are you mad? How is it? Good. Anyway guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm actually gonna start another vlog tomorrow. We're doing part 2 of my best friend's birthday celebration and we're going to the spa. So I'm gonna make that an entire vlog on its own. Not sure where I can vlog at spas since I've never been to one and I've only seen people go to spas in other vlogs, but we're gonna make our best of it. We're going to this like tea party thing that is Tim Burton like Nightmare Before Christmas themed. Then we're gonna have a movie night in the hotel room. We're gonna watch some Disney Plus stuff, and then in the morning we're gonna take advantage of the spa amenities and yeah, go to lunch or something like that. So I guess I'll end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these behind the scenes stuff that we do. This is our job. This is what we do to make money, to live for a livelihood, and it is amazing. It's very exhausting, but amazing. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, can you please subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and leave a comment because I do like to reply. And I guess I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.